Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2023 Chevrolet Corvette 2LT Coupe. It has the 6.2 liter V8, the 8-speed automatic, high wing, NPP performance exhaust, carbon flash wheels, and is painted in rapid blue with the sky cool gray interior. All right, we'll start here at the rear. So it is the coupe, so you can see the hood has the glass, so it has to expose the rear mid-engine here. So it's the 6.2 liter V8 producing 495 horsepower. It's paired to an 8-speed dual clutch automatic transmission. As we come back here, you're going to see the rear trunk, and we have the removable roof in the trunk. It's painted body color, made of carbon fiber, so it's nice and light. And when the roof is on the car, you can utilize all the trunk space there. All right, we'll close the hood. It does have the soft close. Zooming out, you can see the black dash. There's your rear camera, and there is your engine compartment. You can see it through that transparent window there. And then we have the carbon flash badge there, so the Stingray, and of course the carbon flash high wing. Down below, you're going to see the NPP performance exhaust, which is an active exhaust system, so you can open and close the exhaust valves to make it loud or quiet. Okay, making our way to the wheels, we have the carbon flash 5 open spoke design wheel with a machined outer edge. We have 4-wheel disc brakes with the black brake calipers. Michelin tires all the way around. It has a 305/30 ZR20 in the rear. I'll show you the front wheel. It is a staggered setup. So the front, we're running a 245/35 ZR19. Those black calipers also say Corvette on them. All right, we'll check out the interior here. So our passenger door, you can see it's mostly black, and you're gonna notice the sky cool gray armrest there. We also have the matching stitching here. It's a nice straight stitch. The Bose Performance Series sound system, so it's a 14 speaker system. The passenger gets a memory package. We have power windows, locks, and your door release. Dash on this side, so we get the black dash with that nice gray stitching. We'll open up the glove box here. And you can see we got the owner's manual in there. Here's our door jambs, nice and tidy. Your Stingray kick plate looks good. We got the carpeted mats down there, and then your 8-way power seat with bolster and lumbar. And we'll scan the seat here. Again, sky cool gray, really cool feature. GT1 seats, sky cool gray, but it almost looks white. If you look here, we have the engine compartment from the cockpit, so that's really cool. We also have the speaker grill in the center there, and then the wireless charging station for your cell phone. All right, close the door there. We'll start back here. Show that profile, that rear wing. You can see the metallic in that carbon flash. Coming back here, you can see that nice profile there. There's your GT1 seats. We got body colored mirrors, the signals built in, carbon flash vents there. There's your wheels from this angle. And we'll stop it about here. Making our way to the front, LED headlights. We got front cameras. And our frunk is open. And inside we got more storage up front with the cargo net here and divider. Go ahead and close that up. We'll just stand back here. You can see the beautiful blue paint. Now it's already been 5-stage polished by our team, so it's ready to go. It looks great. Let's just come back here. Let's see if I can get a good reflection here. So I'll try to get a good body angle, and there's my hand. You can see the paint is like a mirror finish, even with this rapid blue color. All right, we'll make our way to the side of the wheels. There we are, and back to our door panel. So let's start with the mirrors. You can see we got blind spot monitoring there. They're also power folding, so we'll put the button there and back out again. Again, power mirrors, power windows, locks down there, your door release, and your memory package for your driver. Bose Performance Series sound system. You can see that nice contrast with the black and the gray. Our dash on this side there, we do have heads-up display, so it will project onto the windshield. Here's our door jambs, your Stingray kick plate, pedals down there, carpeted mats, and again, the 8-way power seat. And look at this beautiful sky cool gray. Love this color combination. And again, that engine compartment right there. Let's jump in. All right, closing up the door here, we got the vents here, nice sleek design on the C8s. Heads-up display controls there. We got dash dimmy lights and your electronic parking brake. On the steering column, we got power tilt and telescopic wheel. Headlight controls, and we got paddle shifters on both sides of the wheel, so upshift, downshift. Z button takes you to your performance. Then we have your cruise control. We have audio down here. Of course, it has heated steering wheel. We have the Bluetooth there, arrow keys, and your windshield wiper settings. It's a push button start. We're gonna start it up. We just went into sleep mode here. Let me just unlock it there so it recognizes it. There we go. We'll zoom out here. You can see the wheel. So again, it has the black wheel here, the black center point, the flat top, and the flat bottom down here. We got the Corvette flags in the center. And then coming into the gauge cluster here, we have a full digital cluster. Mileage 22,374 in kilometers. Up in the visor, we got the universal garage door opener. Here we have the rear camera mirror. You can also turn that off if you like, whichever you prefer. Down here, we got this nice 8-inch touchscreen. Let's go to the first page here. So it does have factory nav. So that's a nice option with the 2 LTs. We have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can connect up your phone and project it onto the screen. We have performance data recorder as well, right there. And we'll put it in front camera mode there so you can see the front cameras there. Throw it in reverse, and we got reverse camera. Down here is all your automatic shifter controls. We have traction control. There's your front camera button, and we have a mode selector, so it's a dial here. So let's bring it back into the dash here. Underneath the speedometer there, you're gonna see weather mode to start with, your my mode so you can customize it. Every time I turn it, it changes the metrics as well. So there's tour mode, we have sport, and we have track mode. So you can see it's changing these metrics as we change that dial. Down here, we got the climate control tower. So you got dual zone climate control, heated and ventilated seats. We have 2 cup holders here. You can see that nice gray finish up top with a black console lid. Let's open that up, put my hand in, you can see the depth of it. We got media ports back here. All right, we'll open up the door here. Look at the headlights on. Turn all right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. One more time. All right, you can hear that V8 just wants to go. Jump out here, close up the door, make our way to the front here. I'll show you what the car looks with the lights on. Everything closed up. Spin it around. Pretty wild looking color on a exotic car. Here is our LED taillights, and that's your exhaust there, idling. All right, so here we have it. This is a 2023 Chevrolet Corvette 2LT Coupe. It's got the 6.2 liter V8, the 8-speed automatic dual clutch, high wing, NPP exhaust, carbon flash wheels, painted in rapid blue on sky cool gray interior. This is here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this